Hair professionals face this challenge on a daily basis. Every day, customers will come in wanting a hair treatment or color with hair that either has styling products in it or an impurity buildup. GKhair has the perfect remedy, the GKhair pH Plus Clarifying Shampoo. It effectively removes excess styling products, residual dust, and impurity buildup. It opens up the hair cuticle, leaving hair cleansed and ready for taming and coloring. The GKhair pH Plus shampoo has aloe vera, provitamins, and juvexin, which soothe hair, bind moisture to it, and restore hair to a youthful state. GKhair pH Plus shampoo, the choice of top hair professionals.